Hi, so just want to show you this code here, and I made some little improvement. I just have to fix something here, like to expand this thing. And for example, I go in Python search, and I will have here all my files, all my PNG files into here. So if I double click here, you're gonna have the image. And so maybe I want to expand this one a little bit, this list box. So I have divided my list box in here. Let me go down here. Okay, and for example, so I can easily find the list box and inspect, fill both expand one, and but I need perhaps to expand the frame 2 maybe. Um, So pack, and I want to, yes, fill buff and expand it, and not the frame one, sorry, but the frame 2. There we go. So now if I go Python and search, maybe there we go. Now it's a little better. Okay, and maybe I can just expand also this thing here. Let me see if I expand buff, if they looks better. There was this. Now perhaps I just want to expand um, field X. Don't remember well how to do it. Okay, now. Okay, we get root folder, search clear. Maybe this could go, this first label could be packed differently. Okay, and fill on the x-axis maybe. Nope. Oops, this was not the label. Okay, I'm always doing it in the wrong. Okay, and now mm, okay, so this is it, and Alright, so let's see if I click enter, want to so if I click return, I want to do the command, this one, we don't need, okay, for Python, if I press enter, lambda takes 0 position or argument 1 was given. Okay, so there's no need to press search, or you can press search. So that's everything. This is how it works, this code, and see you next time.